Thanks for watching this short video on what the consequences are if you don't repay a bad credit unsecured loan. If you're trying to get a bad credit unsecured loan, it would be a good idea to make sure that you repay it within the timeline stipulated. Many people applying for these kinds of loans, they apply mainly because their score is low and not sufficient enough to win them better financing. Bad credit loans normally come with strict regulations and guidelines, considering the fact that many lenders perceive people with poor or no credit as high-risk borrowers. When you default payments or just totally fail to pay the loan amount, this action can lead to major negative effects on your credit report. And the fact that you have bad credit and are going to go ahead and sign up for an unsecured loan does not mean that you are a separate entity from the legal systems and courts. You have to adhere to all the guidelines and make sure that the repayment process is smooth for both you and the lender. So those are some of the consequences you have to bear if you fail to pay on a bad credit unsecured loan. Of course, there are many other penalties you can add to the list, but the effects on credit reports are perhaps the most severe in these cases. If you haven't read this article yet, you can do it at unsecuredbadcreditpersonalloans.net, or you can click the link at the top of this video. And if you're interested in more topics about managing your credit, you can go to www.mycreditlocker.com, or if you want to know more about protecting yourself from identity theft, go to www.scoredriven.com.